Hi, welcome to this version of Market Watch. It's around about 12 p.m. और let's do a very quick analysis कि अभी market कैसे दिख रही है. So we can see Apollo Hospital and LALPATH Labs. These are the two counters जिसमें बहुत strong momentum दिख रही है. And going forward, अगर Apollo Hospital we already traded और इसका concept हमने पहले भी discuss किया था कि whenever Apollo Hospital was coming near 4,000 there was a buying और ये हमने कल रात को भी discuss किया था and we were tracking the 4200 breakout which happened in the very first 15 minutes of the trade, and then you can see it went more past 4300 especially after the result. So this was a good trade. M&M is going towards 800. ये हमने कल भी discuss किया था. Closing above 800 would be something which will give a lot of strength to M&M. Vedanta is also trading at day highs, and so is BPCL is also trying to go past 465. Reliance went towards 2200, and this was also one of the trades which we identified yesterday. I closed my positions at 2186, and right now I am waiting for 2175 levels again to re-enter and see if it is able to hold these levels. IOC is also doing good, and it seems like there are positions which are getting added, and maybe IOC would be able to finally breach this levels of 107, and if that happens then this would be something interesting for us. Glenmark, it seems like there is more weakness coming in Glenmark, and if it is unable to move past these levels of 580, then theoretically there will be more weakness. And Gujarat Gas also, we traded this and it went towards the levels of 760. हमने Gujarat Gas हमने इस दिन में position बनाए थे. It was for at the middle of the session, and now you can see that from 740s it went towards 760. So this was a good positional trade. IGL also went towards 550, and this was also one of the trades जिसको हमने इस दिन से identify किया था, and you can see this was also this also went good. Cummins India made a 52-week high, and so this was also one of the good trades which happened. And now let's have a quick look of Muthoot Finance is looking weak, and this is a very typical structure where Muthoot Finance can have a breakdown towards 1400 levels. Our PVR is also able to hold. You see PVR is making higher lows, and this itself is a very good sign that going forward there can be some movement. JSW Steel is facing resistance at 750 levels, and from a weakness perspective, Adani Enterprise is again coming towards 1400. It seems like it's getting weaker. Let's see if it would be able to get a support from 1400 levels. Coal India हमने कल discuss किया this week, and see today in the morning we shorted, and around about from 144 it went towards 142. So, and it seems like there might be more weakness coming in this counter if it is not able to move past 145. Hero Moto is also looking weak, and right now you can see it's trading at daily low, so theoretically there can be a breakdown. So other than M&M, I am seeing that कल हमने मारुति पे भी discussion की थी कि it's looking weak, and from 7,000 levels it's now trading below 6,900 levels. So this was a trade. Also you can see Hero Moto is down, Bajaj Auto is down, and so other than M&M there is not much happening. Even Escorts is not able to move past 1280. So this is it seems like Amara Battery, after the result you can see it's down. हमने बोला था कि अगर ये 740 के ऊपर closing देती है, so that would be good, but now you can see it's trading around over 720. It opened at 742 and then immediately it went below 740. So this is also looking weak, though Amara Battery is, this reaction is after the results. LIC Housing Finance over here is also looking weak, and so theoretically going forward there can be more weakness. Maruti is weak, and definitely don't try to enter Maruti over here. It seems like there will be more weakness going forward, and maybe the levels of 6600 and 6500 is in the vicinity. Auto Pharma हमने ये कल discuss किया था, and you can see the weakness is still there. It opened wherever it opened, there's trading at days low. And Shree Cement भी हमने कल discuss किया था. This is also a very weak stock. Bajaj Auto, you can see that after it tried to gain, and today again it seems like there's more weakness coming, and maybe it's again going towards 3700. TVS Motor dipped towards 500. Yeah, हमारा shorting का target था, and it immediate buying came in. So try to keep TVS Motor. Maybe it will try to reverse from here and go towards the levels of 550 on an intraday basis. Cadillac कल हमने discuss किया था, and we told to stay away from all this pharma companies, and the only exception which I talked about was Cadila because of this closing. लेकिन मैं बोला था कि this doesn't signify anything, and today you can see that this particular support was even broken and is trading at multi-session low, and it's also trading at days low around about at 12:30 p.m. So going forward, from a sectorial perspective, I don't see much happening in say pharma or auto. So even M&M is very near its actual resistance of 801, and right now it's trading around about at it went towards 800, and right now it's trading 799 levels. So going forward, it seems like definitely it's not one of the sectors where you should be entering. And so let's do a quick analysis of where the Nifty stands, and we can see that then from a Nifty perspective, okay, this and this answer, yeah, this is a Nifty. So अगर हम देखें तो Reliance, Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv, they both have moved really good, and going forward it seems like if they are able to maintain. Tata Steel also went towards all-time high. BPCL is also able to hold the levels of 460, and M&M is, as we already discussed. Reliance is also up, and it seems like it is getting in trend, and there are more positions which are getting added in Reliance. We have to see if it is able to maintain this level of 2177 on a closing basis. So that would give more strength to Reliance. On the top of that, we have a small move in all the IT counters, just like SCL Tech, TCS. They all made a new all-time high today. Britannia is also from 3550, it came towards 3600 levels. So since last few sessions it's unable to move past 3600. HDFC Bank is also giving a move, and so is HDFC, but you can see these are upper wicks which are coming in. और ये मैंने पहले भी बोला था, कल भी हमने वो वीडियो पे डिस्कस किया था. वो वीडियो आपको अपर राइट हैंड कॉर्नर में मिल जाएगी, जहाँ पे मैंने बोला था कि अगर रिलायंस चलती है तो बाकी सब कोई all the counters they just they just stall and they don't move. And so this is exactly what happened. TCS also faced a upper wick over here. Adani Port हमने कल डिस्कस किया था कि it looked weak, and now though it's a 1% up, you can see that it's trying to go towards the levels of 700. And Kotak Bank also faced resistance at 1800 levels, and so we would be so this is how the market is poised. Coal India, it seems like maybe it will try, it came towards 142, and maybe it will try to get some support from here, and we have to see the closing. If it's below 142, then there will be more weakness. Infi also made a new all-time high, but from there you can see it's now down to 1700 levels, and maybe this is one of the region जहाँ पे उसको support मिलेगी. Aisha Moto is going towards 2500, is weak. Hindalco, UPL, and so State Bank of India, it went past 433. हमने पहले positions जो close कर लिए थे, हमारा target 433 था, which didn't arrive in on last Friday. वो कुछ 432 point something में गया था, जिसमें हमने अपना positions square off कर लिया था. Today in the morning in the first trade it went towards 434, but from there heavy sell off came, and right now is trading around about 427 levels. हमने स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया पे एक एक्सप्लिसिट टेक्निकल एनालिसिस मैं अपने चैनल में अपलोड किया हूँ, सो मे बी दैट इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू. एंड फ्रॉम वीकनेस पर्सपेक्टिव यू कैन सी द वीकनेस इज इन टेक महिंद्रा. इट ऑल्सो मेड मे बी ऑल टाइम हाई today, but then a sell-off is coming. Maruti is at days low, so is Bajaj Auto, Shree Cement, and Power Grid. But from the looks of it, it seems like other than Coal India, there is not much of these counters which are in trend, and Reliance is definitely in the positive trend. So going forward, I think the market looks good, and even if these big companies just like Bajaj Finance, HDFCs, and all the Bajaj Finance twins, HDFC twins, and all these other counters, अगर ये अपना level maintain कर पाई, so basically the Reliance itself will able to move the market post 16,600. So yeah, so that's all from my side. Of this video is going to help you in taking your trades. As always, right now the strength is quite high in companies like LALPATHLAB and Apollo Hospital. And definitely Indigo and my personal favorite Bata India, Aarti Industries में इन सब में मेरा trades already 2-3 sessions से चल रही हैं जो अभी तक close नहीं हुई है. So definitely these are few of the counters which I would be interested in tracking. Thanks a lot for listening. Hope this video is going to help you in taking your trades, and as always please consult your financial advisor for any trading or investing related queries. Bye bye.